Assalamualaikum everyone. So this is the Uyghur Islamic Center. I came on their stall. They are selling beautiful caps, beautiful shirts. I bought few as well to build a mosque. This is first ever Uyghur mosque. They come from all the way China to build it here. So let's talk to them. Assalamualaikum brother.
Wa alaikum assalam.
How are you and what you are doing?
Alhamdulillah, thank you for asking. Here we are trying to build the first and the very first Uyghur Islamic Center in Northern America, located in Fairfax, Virginia. As you guys know, China is demolishing all the masjids in back home, killing Uyghurs, putting them into camps. So we are here saying to China that they cannot finish us. So we are here want to rebuild Uyghur Muslims inshallah and purchase this masjid inshallah.
How one can donate?
They can go to UyghurIslamicCenter.com or they can also Google Uyghur Masjid, and there is only one Uyghur Masjid in Northern America. They can donate from there inshallah.
जज़ाकल्लाह खैरन ब्रदर, जज़ाकल्लाह खैरन. सो इनके पास ये बड़ी खूबसूरत शर्ट्स हैं. ये 30-30 रुपए की है, 15-20 रुपए की टोपी है और बहुत ही खूबसूरत कारपेट्स बेच रहे हैं. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. 80 रुपए के, 85 रुपए के, बहुत ही खूबसूरत. तो आप लोग ज़रूर इनको डोनेट कीजिए ताकि ये लोग अपनी यहाँ पर पहली मस्जिद बना सकें. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच.